Hey everyone, and welcome to College Unbound's virtual open house. I'm Zuli Vidal.
And I'm Jose Rodriguez. College Unbound's Rhode Island's newest college designed for the adult learner.
We all lead busy lives, and that's why College Unbound has been intentional about designing a college that provides you with the support services you need and the flexibility that allows you to work full-time while still being a full-time student.
If you want to learn more about how you can get your bachelor's degree here at College Unbound, just keep watching.
College Unbound is the newest college in Rhode Island. Our mission is to reinvent the higher education experience for adult learners, using a student-driven model of rigorous and engaged scholarship. We believe everyone has the right to post-secondary education. College Unbound looks to serve adult learners who have not yet completed their degree and are able to participate fully in curriculum with the necessary technology, language, writing, and other systemic supports. Our college is designed for adults looking to advance in their careers, interested in moving into new vocations, or igniting change that improves the quality of life for themselves and others. You're probably wondering what majors are offered here at College Unbound. We offer a bachelor's degree in organizational leadership and change that allows you the flexibility to customize your learning based on your interests. College Unbound's signature major leads to a bachelor's degree in organizational leadership and change. Student cohorts meet once each week for class and discussion. Every step of the way, you're supported by weekly one-on-one mentoring and meetings with your academic advisor. We understand that each of you may be at different points of your college experience. At College Unbound, just like every other college and university, you'll need 120 college credits to earn your bachelor's degree. Depending on how many credits you may or may not already have, will help determine how long it takes you to earn your degree. One person may be starting with about 9 college credits, another could be starting at 30, and some of you may be starting from 0 because this would be your first time coming to college, while others are a lot further along and closer to the finish line with 90 college credits. On average, taking the standard courses, you can pull in about 24 to 30 college credits every year. We designed our college in a way that you are in control of how many college credits you want to take at a time and how fast you want to achieve your degree. Every student has different learning goals, transfer credits, and prior learning experiences, so it's going to be really important for you to take the time to talk to your college advisor and map out a customized journey for you to earn your degree. Here at College Unbound, we believe in building leaders that affect change in their families, communities, and the world at large. We do this through our Big 10 leadership competencies. Let's take a look at them now. As you know, College Unbound offers a bachelor's degree in organizational leadership and change. The program is carefully designed so that you acquire the necessary lifelong learning skills that employers and life demand. These skills are essential to your personal development, career development, and overall help you to be an active and contributing member of the community. At College Unbound, we like to call these skills the Big 10. These are 10 leadership competencies we've intentionally built into our curriculum and training. Skills like accountability, advocacy for self and others, collaboration, communication, creativity, critical thinking, intercultural engagement, problem solving, reflection, and resilience.
Let's take a moment to listen to some of our students.
I think College Unbound offers a lot of innovation. It's a new way to learn. I make all these connections, and I learned to make these types of connections through the learning that I did at College Unbound.
Their hands are in it with you. Their footwork is in it with you. Their energy speaks for itself. The reading is phenomenal. And it's saying the same things that this textbook in my psychology class, but in a totally different way. Now all these dots are connecting, and my brain's going crazy, and I have teenagers, which are more exhausting than the little ones were, and I have work full time, and I'm in school full time, but I leave class, I go into class at 5:30, get out at 8:30, and I leave there more energized than when I get there. And it's beyond amazing. It not only gives you hope, but it gives you energy, it gives you drive.
CU is project-based. It's all project-based. And so it's about what do you want to learn and how do you want to utilize that learning? Again and again and again. I love the work itself. The reading has been great. And for me, the highest point has been demonstrating for myself that I can actually learn and that I can go to school and that I can write a paper and successfully have a conversation about the concepts that I'm writing about in my paper and defend my position and collaborate with my other cohort members.
We are creatures that just love to learn. I think that's really a lot of my fuel is I want to know. I want to be able to get to know it more than just on surface level.
Coming to College Unbound was not just getting the degree. To me, it's so much bigger than that. For me, it's going to provide me with opportunities to access places and spaces that I might not be able to.
So I started College Unbound. It took me about a full semester to really figure out and get my groove, but I really found that this was my style of learning. Like, I needed to be able to actually put things into practice, and when things are presented or put into play in a way that align with my interests, which have been and will be and continue to be helping young men and women not go through the same obstacles that I went through, and presenting opportunities for them, especially those folks who have been to prison, because in prison from a very early age I was conditioned to do laborer type work, and the reason why was because I was made to believe that since I am a convicted felon, I could no longer be an academic, and that's not a feeling that is mine alone. Like, I'm not special when it comes to that. Like, plenty of my peers who are some really bright and smart individuals were not given the opportunity to get an education because they broke the law.
I had such a predisposed idea in my brain about who I was as a learner and my shortcomings, that to be able to prove that I could do the work has been one of the biggest victories for me. And the confidence around that has been enormous.
They saw a group of people who needed something different and who had all the potential and who were working out there, living their lives, and couldn't move on because of, circumstances, and didn't get that education or didn't have the opportunity.
I was asked, when one of the first exercises here at College Unbound, all of us were asked to write a 6-word story about ourselves. I'm literally counting down, like, nope, that won't work. And I eventually came up with, you don't know what you don't. And it's like, that's it. You don't know what you don't. If you don't get to that point of getting to know it, you're never going to learn it.
It's impacted me at work and given me a direction to go in with these young ones and how to transcend or that energy so it becomes synergy. And it showed me that. And then in my home, it's taught me how to stay encouraging my children when they are feeling frustrated, instead of allowing it to drain me as we do as moms sometimes, like, because we take on so much of their pain that it actually will drain us. It has taught me, and I'm a new student, and it has taught me in a very short period of time how to take that energy and turn it into something positive, turn it into something to change the entire atmosphere.
Every student at College Unbound has a project. This project is something that they're passionate about, that they're excited about, and helps them to be able to continue their interests throughout degree completion. A College Unbound project is your excuse to do that thing that you've always wanted to do, but you've never really had the time, resources, or connections to make it happen. What better way to make that goal come to fruition than by earning college credits while you do it? As you build a deeper understanding of the functions of leadership in organizations and communities in the context of today's rapid technological and societal change, you'll be able to design, implement, and evaluate extensive workplace or community action research projects that empower you to enact real change that matters to you.
Let's take a look at what a sample semester could look like for you here at College Unbound.
Each semester, all students enroll in what we call Workplace World Lab, a 3-credit class in which students develop their network of peers, mentors, and experts while connecting their personal, professional, and course-based learning to advance their individual projects. Students take 1, 2, or 3 additional courses that meet either in person or online and complement the in-person Workplace World Lab class. Finally, students can work with their advisors and experts to design their individualized learning plan and their path to graduation. Almost all College Unbound students receive some kind of financial aid. More than 75% of students receive federal Pell Grants. Students also apply for and receive federal loans. Students may receive institutional financial aid awards in addition to federal grants and loans. And College Unbound offers scholarship opportunities for leaders of color who need to complete their degrees, formerly incarcerated students, and students in need who may not qualify for federal aid. Also, through the Feinstein Senior Scholars Program, College Unbound supports parenting students whose kids are or have been Feinstein Junior Scholars. And our Director of Financial Aid works closely with you to help you receive any financial aid and awards you qualify for. Now that you have a better understanding of College Unbound, you might want to start the admissions process. Included in your virtual open house packet is a checklist that will guide you through enrollment. As of right now, you've successfully attended an open house, so be sure to check that off your list. Your next step is submitting an online application, which on average takes 10 to 15 minutes. Once you've submitted your online application, a member of the College Unbound admissions department will reach out to you and walk you through the admissions process and answer any questions you might have. Around the same time, you'll hear from a member of our financial aid team. Remember, you can always contact us at any point during the admissions process for assistance.
Thank you for joining us on our virtual open house.
We're excited about you starting your College Unbound journey, and we'll see you soon.